Good evening, students. In first lecture, I cleared concept of the definition of circle and the circular region. Now, in this lecture, I am going to explain some words related to circle, and the words are some words related to circle are radius of the circle denoted by the symbol small r or capital R. Then second one is a diameter of the circle d. Next one is the arc of the circle. Next one is the circumference of the circle. Then chord of the circle. Next one is the semicircle. Then sector of a circle, segment of the circle, secant of a circle, tangent to a circle. Okay, so these are the words we used to deeply clarify circle. Okay, so first let us start to define radius. So radius, it is denoted by the symbol small r or capital R. So it is a line segment joining center to any point on the circle. So here is the circle, and this is O. This is the center of the circle, and the circle contains infinite number of points. So take any point. Suppose this is P. Here OP is known as the radius of the circle. Right? So how many possible radius are there? As there are infinite points on the boundary of the circle, so there are infinite radius are possible on a circle. Clear? Now come to diameter of the circle. Denoted by the symbol small d, sometimes use capital D also. So diameter is a line segment. It is a line segment joining any two points on the circle, and condition is passes through the center of the circle. Okay, it is a line segment joining any 2 points on the circle and passes through the center of the circle. Okay, bachcho, right? So here is the circle. Take any 2 points A and B are any 2 points on the circle joining these 2 points. So this is the line segment joining 2 points on the circle, and also it passes through the center of the circle. So the line segment that is joining any 2 points on the circle and passes through the center of the circle is known as what? Diameter of the circle. So how many such possible diameters are there? So there are infinite number of diameters are there. Okay, clear? So this is diameter. So students, the diameter, this is the center of the circle. So diameter has two radius. Look at here, OB and OA. The line segment joining center to any point on the circle. Center to any point on the circle. So it has two radius. So that is why you write D is equal to twice of radius. D is equal to 2 or diameter is equal to twice of a radius. Right? Then come to the next related word. Chord. Chord of a circle. So a chord is a line segment. A chord is a line segment joining any 2 points on the circle. Right? So here is the circle. This is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle. Take any 2 points. Here P and Q is any 2 points and joining them. What is formed? A chord is formed. This is the chord of the circle. So how many such chords are possible? Infinite chords are possible. But students, there is this difference between, what is the difference between diameter and the chord? So diameter is a chord that passes through the center. A chord, here AB. Diameter chord means a chord is a line segment joining any 2 points on the circle. सर्कल के किसी 2 पॉइंट को जो लाइन सेगमेंट जुड़ता है, दैट इज नोन एज व्हाट? दैट इज नोन एज chord. But here the chord passes through the center of the circle, so that we say that this is the diameter of the circle. So another definition of diameter is the chord that passes through the center of the circle. So what you conclude here? Conclusion. Another definition. For the another definition, there are 2 conclusions I am going to explain. For this conclusion we get that definition of diameter, that a chord passes through center of the circle. Center of the circle is known as what? Diameter of the circle. A chord passes through the center of the circle is known as diameter of the circle. So what your conclusion? Note that all diameters are chords, but all chords are not diameters. If I am asking you question, why all chords are not diameters? Because all chords do not passes through the center. Those chords that passes through the center of the circle is known as diameter. Okay, so that all diameters are chords. जितना जो diameters है वो सारे chords है, but all chords are not diameters. If someone asking question, give reason to your answer. So your answer will be, sir or ma'am, all the chords are not passes through the center. So that is why we say that all diameters are chords. Means those chords that passes through the center of the circle. Those chords that passes through the center of the circle. Those chords that passes through the center of the circle are known as diameters. Okay, but all chords are not diameters because they are not passing through the center. Okay, so this is the differentiate between what? A diameter and a chord. Right? Thank you, students. I think you all understood me. Now in the next class we start from the next words related to circle. Thank you.